one. Guys, before we get started, please can I have more subscribers? I'll do anything. So please, after this video, if I don't make an improvement, then I'll be angry. Okay? So I won't open this unless I get 2 more subscribers, or 3 hopefully. So like and subscribe. Okay, now we need to start unboxing it. So let's take the wrapper off. I'm so scared. I actually don't know what dumpling I'm gonna get, but I'm so excited because I don't honestly care if I don't get the glitter one, but I just really want it. At least I'm gonna get one. Okay, let me just tap it real quick. Okay, guys, I'm so nervous. We're going to do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Ah, we got a pink one. This is so cute. What is this? What's this? Whoa, this is not a dumpling. What the heck is this? Wait, what is this?